What is dyslexia? Dyslexia is a learning disorder that involves difficulty reading due to problems identifying speech sounds and learning how they relate to letters and words. Most children with dyslexia can succeed in school with tutoring or a specialized education program. Emotional support also plays an important role. Symptoms that appear before schooling: late talking, problems forming words correctly, problems remembering or naming letters, numbers, and colors. Some symptoms appear during school age, like reading well below the expected level for age, difficulty seeing similarities and differences in letters and words, spending an unusually long time completing tasks that involve reading or writing. Teens and adults. Dyslexia signs in teens and adults are similar to those in children, and some of them are difficulty summarizing a story, trouble learning a foreign language, and difficulty memorizing.